Hi and salam friends. Let me show you how to add colors for dual light effect. A while ago I did a tutorial on it. Today we will do it with different way. Let's get started without any delay. First, open image in Photoshop. Go to Select, Subject. It will create selection around subject. Selection isolates part of an image, so you can work on that area without affecting the rest of the image. Then create a mask on this layer. Background has removed from image. Create a solid color layer. Choose black color for it. Move this layer below to active subject layer. Create black and white layer. It will desaturate subject. Now create a gradient map layer. Gradient maps are a Photoshop tool that creates a new adjustment layer, which choose a new color for each pixel of a certain value. You can see it in properties. Click on it to open Gradient Editor. Black color is set on left side, and white is on right side. Choose white color and click to open. Choose red color, then hit OK twice. Select Mask of Gradient Map. Pick Brush tool with size 115 and hardness 0. Opacity is 100%, flow is 100%, and smoothing is 10%. Start painting on right side, wherever you think blue light hits his body. Red color or light has been removed. Change blend mode from normal to hard light. Reduce opacity to 80%. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer for gradient map. Select mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select gradient map icon, not the mask. You can see gradient map in properties. Click on it to open Gradient Editor. Choose red color and open it. Change red color to blue. Then hit OK twice. This layer has same blend mode and opacity. This is way how we apply dual light effect. I hope you like this technique. If so, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.